Hello, today I want to share with you this plastic chain. First of all, I would like to share with you where can you use this chain. I would like to show you one usage. Look like that. You can see it like that. So, like that. You can use like that the closing gate your apartment. You can stick your bicycle with locker like that. Another feature is you can use at night. It's yellow, you can block like that. You can see it's yellow like that. You can use like that the S hooks, blocking area or place. You can use this chain in different places. It's just about your imagination. For example, you can use like a necklace. You can use as a necklace with this S hook, look like that, or bracelet you can make. First thing I noticed that the bright yellow color. It is easy to see, so people know where they go or not. The chain is the chain is so long you can use many different places like driveway, parking lot, garage, warehouse. The package comes with that S hook, so it's easy to hang the chain. That that like that. You can ask. It's easy to hang the chain like that. It's made of plastic, but it feels strong and durable for day use. Another things I like that also you can cut the chain with the scissors. Okay, it's easy to cut. You can cut whatever you want. If you are looking easy to weigh safety barrier or guide the people the right direction, it's a good choice. Thank you for watching.